How to improve your English. Improving your English proficiency is a rewarding journey that requires consistent effort and a variety of approaches. Here are some effective strategies to enhance your English skills. Immerse yourself in the language. Reading. Regularly read books, articles, newspapers, and other written materials in English. Choose a variety of genres to expose yourself to different styles and vocabulary. Listening. Watch English movies, TV shows, and listen to podcasts, music, or audiobooks. This helps you grasp different accents, colloquial expressions, and improves your overall understanding of spoken English. Build a strong vocabulary. Word lists. Create and regularly review word lists with new vocabulary. Use flashcards or apps like Quizlet to reinforce your memory. Thematic learning group words based on themes or topics. For instance, focus on workplace-related vocabulary, daily life, or hobbies. Practice speaking. Conversation partners. Engage in conversations with native speakers or language exchange partners. Websites like Tandem or HelloTalk can help you connect with language learners and speakers worldwide. Record yourself. Speaking into a recorder allows you to identify areas of improvement, such as pronunciation and fluency. Grammar and sentence structure. Grammar exercises. Regularly practice grammar exercises to strengthen your understanding of sentence structure, verb tenses, and other grammatical rules. Online resources. Utilize online grammar guides, websites, and apps like Grammarly to receive instant feedback on your writing. Writing skills. Keep a journal. Write daily in English about your experiences, thoughts, or anything that interests you. This helps reinforce vocabulary and sentence construction. Essay writing. Work on longer pieces of writing, such as essays, articles, or short stories. Seek feedback from native speakers or language teachers to improve your writing style. Take formal English courses. Language classes. Enroll in English language courses, either online or in person, to receive structured instruction and guidance from qualified teachers. Certification programs. Consider obtaining language proficiency certifications like TOEFL, IELTS, or Cambridge English exams to measure and showcase your English skills. Utilize language learning apps. Duolingo, Babbel, or Rosetta Stone. These apps offer interactive lessons, quizzes, and games to make learning fun and engaging. Vocabulary builder apps. Apps like Memrise or Anki help you memorize and reinforce vocabulary through spaced repetition. Join English language clubs. Local meetups. Attend local language exchange meetups or English conversation clubs to practice with fellow learners and native speakers. Online forums. Participate in online forums and discussion groups where English is the primary language. Remember that improvement takes time and consistent effort. Mix and match these strategies to create a personalized learning plan that suits your preferences and goals. Celebrate your progress along the way and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are valuable learning opportunities.